original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys this hair installation from DYHAIR777, and they are sponsoring today's video, so a huge shout out to them for that. So the hair comes in this little bag to protect it. In the package you will find their hair care card, and they show you how to take care of the hair. You will also find their contact details and their social media pages. In the bag as well, you will find an adjustable strap. This is if the wig is too big, and it will help you with securing the wig. You will lastly find a little cute pin that says love. Getting straight into the hair also comes in a net to protect it and to make sure that it gets to you still in a great condition. The specs of this hair are this is an 18-inch Peruvian deep wave curly hair, and it is 13x4, and this is how the curl pattern looks. I'm extremely in love with it. This is how the frontal looks. The frontal is a 13x4, and it was actually pre-plugged, which I really liked. There are two combs on the sides, a comb at the back and a comb in the middle to help you secure the wig. There's also some adjustable straps already in the wig cap to help you with more security. Like I said, the wig, the frontal was pre-plugged, which is absolutely great for a beginner. You don't need to do much. All I did was bleach the hair, and you guys will see how the hair looks in the next clip. Okay, so let's get straight into installing this hair. I'm going to gel down my edges or the front of my head using the Eco Styler gel. This is just to make sure that there aren't any hairs in the way or anything distracting me, or yeah, just to secure and make sure that it is neat. To make sure that everything is blended, I'm going to take my foundation brush, which already has product on it, and I'm just going to put it all over the wig cap. You don't need to put more product on it because it will become cakey, so just use the product that's already on the brush. And you're going to do the exact same thing with the frontal of the wig. So to secure my wig, I'm going to go in with the Got2b glue, and I'm just going to put that all over the perimeter of my head, right in front of my hairline. Don't put the glue on your hairline. And I'm going to go in with the Got2b blasting free spray, and I'm going to hair dry that till it is tacky, and then we're going to lay the hair. Whilst laying your hair, make sure that you're using a comb to press it down, because your fingers do get sticky and then it becomes messy. So just use a comb and keep combing the small little thin hairs back so that the hairs don't actually glue to your forehead, but rather just the lace. Just keep brushing or combing the hair back. Once you're satisfied, you're going to tie down the wig using anything. I'm using old stockings. This is because they're just very soft and don't necessarily give me a headache. And you're just going to keep it there for however long that you feel it needs to be there. And whilst we do that, I'm going to be styling the hair. All that I'm going to use for these curls is some water mixed with some conditioner, and you will see a comparison, a side-to-side comparison of how quickly these curls revive and go back to how cute they look. So I'm just going to show you how much hair shed after I did all of this. This is a fairly good amount of shedding because these are curls and they tend to shed much more, and it's normal. But overall, I really did enjoy working with this hair. It was very easy to install. The lace was not thick. It melted very easily. The curls are very easy to work with. And I was very skeptical about working with 150 density hair because I just thought that it's going to look too thin on my head, but I really love it. I don't like when the curls are too puffy. These were just perfect, so this is the density that I would recommend you get. But other than that, this install was very easy. I love this hair. I'll definitely be enjoying wearing it much more often. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you guys watch the video till the end, you will see that I tried a different style to show you how versatile this wig can be. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. A huge shout out to DYHAIR777 for sponsoring today's video. I really enjoyed working with this company. Their hair is amazing. Okay, if you're interested in purchasing this hair, I will definitely leave a link in the description box. I will leave a direct link to the hair, and I will leave a link to the entire website, and you can browse what they have. I will also leave a discount code so you can get some coins off your purchase. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one.